Hope you're having an amazing day. Today we were looking at this Live Mic M3 from Creative. There's a lot of these, many companies coming out with these similar looking microphones. So today we're gonna go ahead and check out this one from Creative. Usually they have good products. I do use their headphones and speakers as well. So this one comes with two patterns. So we have the Cardioid pattern and Omnidirectional as well. And it does have a 14 millimeter microphone capsule and real-time mic monitoring, all that stuff. So right now, let's go ahead and see if this is worth your money. So let's go ahead and open up the box here. So this is what we get inside the box, and just taking a look from here, we have the stand, which is quite heavy, which is good. It's not gonna make the microphone wobble or anything like that. And the multi-angle here, which kind of just screws in here, and you're able to adjust the microphone easily that way. We got the cable and the pop filter and the actual microphone here, and of course the manual. So looking at the pop filter, it actually just goes here, and because it's magnetic, it's gonna attach easy, and it looks very cool. I wish actually my Blue Yeti X had some sort of option to buy one of these, because it looks nice and it doesn't take space or anything like that. You can easily remove it when you don't want to, and it just attaches very nicely. It looks clean too. So taking a look at the front here, we have the headphone adjustment here. So if you're real-time monitoring, you're going to be able to adjust the volume here. Also mute the microphone. We have the button here. The knob here does feel okay. It's not doesn't feel like an expensive product, but it feels okay. It seems to be working fine. And looking at the back here, we do have the Cardioid and the omnidirectional pattern selection here as well. And at the bottom we have the micro USB and the 3.5 millimeter for the live monitoring. Also down here we have a different thread, so if you want to use a mic arm, you're able to pretty much use any mic arm with this microphone too. So right now let's go ahead and connect everything so you can kind of judge the quality for yourself. Alrighty, so I have everything connected here. So everything you're hearing is coming directly from the mic M3 here. It's quite far from my mouth right now, so if I go ahead and go a little bit closer, this is how it sounds like. And just to show you on the settings side of things, I have it at 80% and I have the 24-bit and all that enabled as well. So it's kind of like the max quality that you're hearing from this microphone right now. One thing I would definitely suggest if you're getting this is getting also a mic arm as well, because if I just go ahead and touch the table like this, you can definitely hear the vibrations there for sure. So right now I do have it set at Cardioid, and it's kind of picking my voice. And I'm gonna go ahead and run some white noise here so you can see the difference between Cardioid and omnidirectional when I turn it on. So right now I'm just gonna place this in the back. And now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it. And turn it back. It's definitely making a difference when I'm turning from Omni to Cardioid. So definitely that part is working good, which is nice to see. So on the front here, pretty much we just have the headphone adjustments. This is for the live monitoring and also the mute. So you can see that kind of mutes the mic there. One thing would have been nicer is if it had an adjustment here for the microphone instead of for the headphone adjustment. That would have made things a little bit better actually. One other thing is when you have the pop filter on, this is what you kind of see when you're talking. You don't see the LED that's hiding behind here. So you don't really know when you're muted or unmuted here. Because this pop filter, I love this pop filter, but it kind of blocks the LED. If only the LED probably was down here or something else. So now you kind of get the idea of how this sounds like, if this is worth your money. And obviously, if you have this on a mic arm, you're gonna have it definitely closer to your mouth. So this is how it sounds like when it's a little bit closer to your mouth. And for what I can see, I don't see any peaking here. It's at 80% on the settings that I left here, and seems like it's doing a good job so far. But I would love to see, like, in the comments what you guys think of this microphone, actually, if it sounds good or bad. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and leave a comment below if you guys have any questions about this microphone or any other future videos you guys want to see on this channel. And would definitely love to hear from you what you guys thought of how this sounded like. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.